Hey guys, it's CKLK. Sorry, the dog just came in and farted. Anyway, we are playing a game called
Build a boat to learn find treasure.
To Learn Find Treasure.
To learn find treasure.
Alright,
I was going
anyway.
to say to survive.
What
to
is it,
live.
laughing gas? Because everyone's
twice.
off their nut.
Guys, I've been to the end twice.
Oh,
What?
Tiger looks
There's an
like
end?
he's twisted
Yeah.
his neck.
Oh yeah, our cat Tiger's on our
yeah.
bed and he's like gone.
Does it have a push that?
Right, let's just, you know what, let's just pile all our junk
Basically,
together.
you get
I'm a
100.
fox, by the way.
You get £100.
What, when you get to the end?
Yeah, and also like 100 gold, and also what is it? A gold block.
A gold block?
I wish I
Yeah.
could be a chicken.
And I've been there twice. yeah, you can be a chicken or a
There's a-
penguin.
You're a fox.
I know.
I've just realised that. You're a fox.
Yeah, no, but you can be a penguin or a
Look
chicken
at
as
that
well.
water with Robux.
You bought a fox with Robux.
I can morph into it whenever I want.
But only on this game.
Yeah, but it's good.
Weirdo.
She looks like a killer.
Anyway, Kirk's still holding his nose.
I'm not that ugly. He said I look like
you
Killer
are.
Clown.
You look like what?
Killer Clown. I'm not that
No, wait till
ugly.
last you one.
Yeah, I know, that is a... No. Come back, you need to build your stuff. Okay, come on. I'm gonna put my poles here and here. There we go. One of them. That stinks so bad, Kirk. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put my finishing touches. Boop, and then I have more materials. I did not realise that. I have 7 wood. I only have 7 wood out of everything. I have 7 wood. That's it.
Wow.
Oh my! I can't wait to set sail. See if we get to the end.
Whoa!
Whoa! Tiger just. skidded. Oh my god!
That sounds like
Probably smell fart. Like, no, because he was relaxing on this one.
Anyway, right. So me and Luke, why don't you just sit in the middle instead?
Nah, I can't be bothered.
You might die though. I'm sitting at the back.
Sorry, but I'm coming in the middle now.
You're at the back. The middle is that seat there.
Or whatever. I'm here now.
Wait, there's a floating block. Oh, it just tumbled over. Wait. Oh no, the thing, it's leaving us.
I'm not.
It's leaving us.
Look at me. Look at my
The
little boy.
poles.
It's gonna collapse.
The blocks are
Yeah.
leaving us.
Oh no.
Kirk is smelly.
I'm just gonna
Anyway.
go to the toilet.
Oh, okay, bye. Luke, you died! Luke, no! Jump, Luke, jump!
I'm jumping.
You literally just put your laptop down. No, sorry, your iPad, and you like freaked out.
farting.
You put it down and you jumped, and then you picked it back up, and were just like, no, wait, let me come back. What do you think of Luke's death? Bad, but when Katie dies, it's good. Basically, if you haven't seen Fantastic Mr. Fox,
Yep.
basically what happened in the last video is Katie died on a vault. Katie died and Kirk went, good. Like, how shallow. Luke's in the toilet. Oh, he's coming back out of the toilet
I
now.
just farted.
Wow.
Building my L.
Kirk just farted again. Building your L. Alright, build your L. We're still... Whoa, this kind of looks like Minecraft, these blocks.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, but
Oh, yeah.
well, oh. Yeah.
Oh, God.
What? We have 1 block protecting us in
know.
front.
You
Can't
probably
believe
do,
it.
I don't. I'm smushed between everything. Bye.
Katie's just like, well, I'm actually kind of in the middle. I'm at the back
Let's
now.
hope if you die, it's not.
Oh no, all of our stuff is just piled up in one place. It's not moving. No.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, no. Yes! We want to survive.
Yeah, but all of our stuff is piled up so it can't get through. Look,
Wow.
now our boat is gonna hit. See?
I mean, Chloe's in front, so at least she's protecting me.
Oh wow, thanks.
No problem.
Wow.
It still smells.
Poor Luke. You must be so bored building your L. Jeez, you sound like a crow.
Smells
Katie, there's lightning and it just struck. Oh, it just struck an ice block
I
next
saw
to me.
that.
Ah, my head.
What? What did you do?
My head. My
What?
head hurts.
Oh.
No, not in real life, but like
I've just got this one little tail.
Right.
It looks kind of like a scorpion. Oh, the blocks have catched up. They've caught up. Wait, we're kind of
It looks like a grey slug.
we're protecting the blocks
Yes.
instead of them protecting
Yes.
us.
Fun
I got
fact,
up what I
guys.
built.
Every time when we go downstairs in the conservatory, on one of the walls, there's always a slug.
Yeah, there's always a slug on
And they're
our
really
wall.
big.
They're
They're
massive.
not big, but
It's
they're
so
long.
weird.
They're really long.
What?
Wow, we're
Funny
at bookshelves. Yes. Oh, it's like a race.
It looks
It's
like a
overtaking
moon.
us. It's
Oh,
overtaking
They
us.
broke the moon.
No, it's overtaking us. Whoa,
That's a
a
good
book.
thing.
A book. Books are flying off the shelves.
Mum,
Literally.
maybe there's a ghost. But how am I meant to fire off?
Lava! The floor is literally.
The ice is gonna fall off.
5,
Oh my! Everything's
3,
falling off.
2,
Oh no!
1. Will Chloe survive?
As soon as I die, the video is gonna end. Come on. I might buy. I'm gonna save up for the 135 because I've got 115, and I might get more than 35 after this.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oi oi oi!
Oi, oi, oi.
Have you finished building your L?
Yep, I'm bored.
I got 4.
Because in the next video, basically, we're gonna do the same game, and we're just gonna write CKLK, and then wait, what? Whoa! That pumpkin guy just threw stuff at us.
Oh, look at his arms. He
Whoa!
has thick arms.
They're like trees.
How is he throwing stuff when he has no legs? I mean, I guess you don't need legs to
You
throw
don't need
stuff.
legs to throw stuff. I'm so scared right now. I'm like holding my breath. I just really don't want to die.
I won't
'Cause-
die because I'm smushed between every block on this boat.
Oh god. Guys. Oh, the big green thing's protecting. Oh, never mind. What's next?
I don't know.
Oh god.
This looks bad.
That green thing's protecting us.
Acid.
We just went over acid. I bet that destroyed
That-
the blocks.
that
Well
grey
done, game.
That grey thing is
We didn't build
protecting
our
us.
blocks
Yeah,
strong
the
enough.
go. Look, it's gonna blow up that thing. Boosh. Right, let's have a look. What's in here? Oh, just rocks.
Okay.
The rocks ones are kind of easy to get past because, like, you get like one block in your way and that's it. Oh dear. Oh dear.
You're gonna die.
Oh no!
Oh, no, don't be
no,
like this.
no, no! I feel like I'm gonna fall off. I'm the new Luke. I'm hanging off the side. Oh, that thing just took off like half of the thing for us. That's good. Yes, now you're protecting me. Woo!
Yeah! I mean, no.
Oh, are those things gonna fall on us?
No.
Oh, they look like
Nah, it don't look like it.
it to me.
They didn't fall.
Oh god. I mean,
Oh, really? That's not necessary.
oh my god.
No! Oh! Oh!
Yes.
No! Oh, I guess this is the end, guys. This has been CKLK. Bye. Literally, bye. Oh my god. Bye.